University of Wisconsin-Madison provides a secure online portal for students, faculty, and staff to access various academic and administrative resources. Here's a general guide on how to log into your University of Wisconsin-Madison account. Step 1. Visit the official University of Wisconsin-Madison website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official University of Wisconsin-Madison website by typing the correct domain name in the address bar. Step 2. Locate the Login section. Find the Login section in the top right corner of the page and click on it. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to a page where you'll need to input your username and password. Your username is typically provided by University of Wisconsin-Madison and is unique to you. Your password is your confidential code. Step 4. Click Login. Once you've entered your username and password, click on the Login button. Step 5. Access your account. You will now be logged into your University of Wisconsin-Madison account, granting you access to various services and resources. Troubleshooting tips for accessing the University of Wisconsin-Madison account. If you forget your password, there should be a Forgot Password option. Click on it and follow the instructions to reset your login details. In case you encounter any technical issues during the login process, it's advisable to reach out to University of Wisconsin-Madison's IT support for assistance. Please remember to keep your login details confidential and secure. Do not share them with anyone. And always log out of your account when using public computers. Keep in mind that the specific login process may vary depending on the platform or service you are trying to access within Stanford University's systems. If you are a Stanford University student, faculty, or staff member, you should have received specific instructions for logging in when you joined the institution.